us veterans run, not trying day. I want you folks to put your hands up high and proud for you. Let's give all those folks a big round of applause. I want to thank each and every one of you for your service. Now into number 70, continuing to work in Skyway last night until she was retired in 1963 and sat on the sidetrack. She sat on those sidetracks for about 14 years until 1977. She was purchased by East Tennessee theme park named Silver Dollar City. It was on this very park that she became known as Cinderella. Y'all, with that push engine, you're going to see our female engineer out there. Her name is Julie. Come on, y'all, wave at her, wave at her. She likes to be waved at. Don't want you guys to hold on tight though, because she's not looking where she's going. I wonder, who gave that lady a license? Now Cinderella has remained here through the evolution of the park from Silver Dollar City to the present day Dollywood, where she continues her tradition of hard work. We're going to listen to Cinderella pull us up the Iron Mountain in just a couple moments. I'm going to tell y'all some fun facts about a couple of the attractions we have at Dollywood. We are now entering Boogertown, Tennessee. It's home to those famous Boogertown farms where you pick 'em. Folks, we are now exiting Boogertown, Tennessee. Now, Boogertown does have a running joke in there. I'm going to tell it to y'all today. How do you make a tissue dance? How do you make a tissue dance? You put a little boogie in it. Some big old yellow cats out there. Look at all them yellow cats. Looks like they're hiding in the back over there. You can see that building there right there. That's going to be their new sanctuary. We're going to put all the cats in there and let them play around. Make sure they don't run away or attack nobody. Got to make sure they're not here. Now here's the fireman Kyle up there. Give him a big old wave. He likes to be waved at. He's just those overhand shoveling all that coal into the firebox. RSA still operates the same way they did when they were first built. Not a busy day. Cinderella uses about 5 tons of coal, drink about 5,000 gallons of water, and bring an average of 5,000 people up and down this mountain. Now, folks, I was fibbing a little bit about that building right there. It's actually not going to be a cat sanctuary, very sadly. But it's going to be a new ride that's going to be opening in 2026. It's called Hollow Aviation. Y'all definitely need to come back in 2026 to check it out. It's going to be 44,000 square feet, and it's going to be 5 stories tall.